I'm Richard Seymour. I'm a location photographer specialising in aerospace, automotive and urban landscape. We're doing a workshop today with the Leica SL and introducing people to the potential of this camera in relation to making that transformation from stills to doing stills and motion. I think it's an important thing for stills photographers to learn. There'll always be a call for good quality stills photography, but I'm increasingly finding that people are asking me to produce some really nice motion packages for them at the same time or independently as a separate proposition altogether. So the idea is just to sort of get people over that initial resistance that exists. You think that it's going to be too complicated or the potential to be tripped up is too much. I think with a little bit of reassurance and explaining how I go about collaborating with other people within a film production crew, you can get past that barrier and that resistance that exists where you think it's going to be too difficult. There's a few trade secrets just over how you market yourself, how you generate content that can go viral, and how fundamentally you can exploit your skills and your style to make yourself into a director. So we look forward to seeing you at the next workshop, and we'll fill you in on those little trade secrets that will make the transition from stills to motion that little bit easier and give you a chance to play with the Leica SL, which is an amazing piece of kit for making that move through into motion work.